We went to the world's largest bird store yesterday, and I was just there for groomings for Sunny, Sugar, and Spice. I wasn't going to do a video yesterday since I had the 3 birds with me doing the grooming. I figured I would do that another time, but since there was a little bit of a wait for the grooming, I did a really quick video. I'll spend more time with another time and do a longer video so I can go through things a little bit. I just wanted you to see how big this store is and how much stuff is in it. It's unbelievable. So, and also after the video, I'll come back and show you the things that I bought and the foods that I've got for Sunny. A couple toys, some stuff for him to play with. But I do go there often, so here's the video and enjoy it.
Let me just look one more.
That video. Look at him running around. Let me out, let me out.
Well, it usually...
What are you doing in there, Spice?
As crazy as this is, I'll go through this.
This is the first room of the world's largest bird store. It's all cages in here. Wow, it's just extraordinarily huge bird store. I mean, it just, and the first time I came here, it was like, I went in one room to another room, and I was like, there's another room? There's another room? This is pretty much room 1. And then that's the entrance there. And they're just toys. Look at them all. Endless. It's just endless. This is a really cool toy. My Sonny's up there waiting to get his wings clipped. And here's another room here. Check it out. Just look at this. Take a walk through this place. It's unbelievable. It's just endless. Look at this. Endless, endless. Come around. These are great. The Boings, they love to swing on these. Back and forth, they go in the cage and climb on them, move around on them. Look at them on. They have like all kinds of stuff to hang on, swing on. Here's beds. This is what like I have for Sunny. These are nice to have. Some of them like to go inside at nighttime, like Sunny. He likes to go in there. That's a cool one. I don't have this one. I wonder if he'd like that. Just check it out. All the stuff. Look, there's the swings here. Look at them. Look at this. There's all sorts of sizes. Some have the sand perches on them. Some have wood. It's just, it goes all the way up top. Endless. Look at this stuff. Large bags of bird food in here. More toys. Tons and tons of perches. Oh, sand perches here. I think it's good for trimming the nails. Sunny usually chews on it. And then extra cups here. Some cool wood perches and all the way back to around. I made a circle in this room here. Let me come out of this room. Look at this. This is a cool part here. Look at all the toy parts. You can make your own toys. Tons and tons of toys. Look at them all. Boats. Sunny likes the boats. Let's go around. Big toys. More toy parts. All back in this area. Here's the grass mats. This is what I get for Sunny and the birds to climb on. They like them. There's all sorts of sizes. There's big ones here. I like the colorful one. That's the same one except for it's not colored. Different sizes of them. Toys galore. And there's all the rope. So cut what you need. Or you can get the chain, smaller ones, metal ones. Oh, look, there's more toy parts over here too. Look at them all. I like this cage here too. I like the design of it. It's just endless. You just go in one room and there's another room and there's another room. Oh, monster toys. Monster toys for the big birds. Oh, that I never noticed this before. There's a spray that's not harmful for the birds. And more toy parts. Look at them all. It just goes on. You could build all kinds of toys. Look at that. Look at all the toy parts there is. It just hasn't stopped yet. Look at that. Oh, I gotta get some of these. Sunny likes these finger traps. And it still goes on. There's still some more over here, and then it ends up over here. This is the end of the toy parts. But it just goes into more and more rooms. Look at this, another room. This is the kind of stuff that all the birds like. This is all the shreddable things that are easy to chew and tear apart. Look at the endless. I can't believe. You could be in here for hours shopping. Hours. Hours and hours shopping in here. I did order some stuff online. I have to pick up, but I'm going to get a few more food things up there I wanted to get. Look at this. Endless. Endless. I didn't even get into where the food is yet. This is just all the toys. Look at the size of that toy over there. It's huge. Them big birds would probably tear that up in 20 minutes too. Oh, there's a rope. Hang up on the ceiling somewhere. I wonder if Sunny would climb on that. It's a little big, but they like the grass mats. Look at this. It's crazy. How many toys there are. I mean, it's unbelievable. Now, Sunny likes the wood. This cardboard he'd like for chewing up. Some things like that. I mean, that's a neat idea. I mean, these are some big toys here for some big birds. That's a big toy. Look at the size of this toy. And it's heavy. Probably just as heavy as the bird. Holy moly. And then here is the cleaners. There's the poop dissolver. I got some of this. I ordered this today. You could get that. Some small ones on top. And then you can get a really big one. I gotta get this one next time so I can have a refill. Potty pickup. More cage cleaner. cage scrubbies. Wow, this is incredible. I still have to show you where all the food. This is just the toys and other stuff. Look at that, it's a hammock. Oh, jeez. Unbelievable, huh? Check out these coconuts. And they got a hole dug out right there. That's good for little birds. Sonny actually likes to chew on some coconut pieces on back over here where the toys are. The toy parts, I should say. It's just incredible how much there is. And over here, there's the grooming room where Sonny is right now. Getting his grooming done with the cockatiels, sugar and spice. And look at all the food in here. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Look at all the food. It goes all the way back there. Comes Courtney walking through. Oh, look at all the food here. Look at all the food. I gotta get some of these Nutriberries over here. Look at this. This is crazy how much food there is here. What's that? Oh, that's not bad at all. That's where you get the containers and the bags to fill them up with. Look at this. This is crazy. It goes all the way back. Look at all the way back there. Food. Food galore. Look at this. Today's supposed to be half off grooming, yeah. On Wednesdays, it's half off grooming here. Which is nice. Look at there's the big nuts for the big birds. And those containers there. Some sticks back here. They're on sale. Wow. Look at the size of that stick. Bird stick. That's for a big bird. Look. Here's more. Look at all the seed. Look at this. I wanted to get but they don't have it. The treasure chest blend. This is cool for the birds. But they have a treasure chest blend and they don't have it here. Today they're out of it. But look at all of this food. You could spend hours in this store buying stuff. It's just unbelievable. That's that big circle around. Then they have their own mixed blends, which I got some of this today for each bird. Cockatiel blend. Cockatoo macaw, that's for big birds there. African greys. And it smells so good. These smell so good. They really smell good. Stash is in there. He got his grooming done. He's peeking out. Oh, there he is. What's up, Stash? I love the smell of this stuff. It smells so good. This one here smells like gingerbread. It does. It smells like gingerbread. It smells so good. Look at this place. This place is huge and unbelievable.
That's about it. They'll pick on it, they'll drop to the bottom, but they're really not how to keep
How you doing, buddy? Hello. I wanted to get him saying hello. Hello. He did say hello before. He's not saying it now. Oh, look how big he is. Oh, he wants my phone. Hello, buddy. Aw. He's trying to come over for my phone. Oh, man. Oh, oh. Ew. Look at him hanging. Ooh. He got that toy pretty good. He's getting the bell in there. He's trying to get the bell inside the toy. He got it. He's getting it. Hello. He's turned his back to me. You gonna say hello? Hello. the sun conures. He said, let me out, let me out. Look at him, let me out, let me out. Got some white doves here. Look, pretty birdies. Hello. Wow, look at them. Canaries. Hello, Duke. How you been? He's such a pretty bird. Yeah, hello. Definitely sounds like the jungle in here, huh? Oh, but oh, look at him go. Look at these pretty birds. The mosaic canary, they're really pretty. I like the colors on them. Ooh, a diamond dove. Isn't that a pretty bird? Check them out, the diamond dove. Some more the mosaic canaries. Yeah, they're pretty birds. And here's some white canaries. We got some starfinches. English budgies. Got parakeets. That's a pretty one right there, huh? You a pretty boy? Oh. Parakeets. You're a pretty yellow one again. These little finches, they're flying everywhere. Bunch of finches in here. Wow. They're really going wild in that one. Wow, look at that. Look at them all. They're flying like crazy in here. Jeez. You could actually feel the wind from them. They're flying around so much. These are really pretty finches. I think this says Goldian finch. And it has a little, did you know, fact up on top of the cage here. It's always good to know. It's a really pretty bird here. Look at that, how pretty that bird is. The colors are incredible. What's up, Took? Took's got a lot to say today, huh, Took? We got some sunnies over here. Hello, guys. Hey, pretty birds. Yeah, hello. Yeah. He's funny. Look at him go. He's bouncing. Hello, how are you? Yeah. You're a really pretty bird. You sun conure. So pretty. Hello. Yeah. Hello. How are you? Oh, he's so friendly. He's just nipping nicely. Nothing bad. A little bit. Yeah, what you doing, buddy? You look like you'd be a nice guy. You're like really friendly. The other guy, see, he's just like, nah. It's nice when you come and then you know. You buy a bird, huh? That this one here is very friendly. They get nice though. My guy was a little shy in the beginning, but now he's like, oh, nothing to do with anything else but me, all over me, right? Some pretty conure. Hello, white belly kite. Up, guys? You getting ready to eat? Are you getting ready to eat? Are you? Yeah? You getting excited? What you doing, buddy? I'm still coming back to you. You pretty birdie. Yeah, you pretty birdie, baby. This one is so funny. Look at him. He looks like he's a playful one there. Hello. How are you? You are an umbrella cockatoo. What's up, guys? Hello. You pretty bird, yeah. You look like you're tired. Yeah. Oh, he's a pretty baby, aren't you? Yeah. He's so nice. You pretty baby birdie, yeah. Hello. Sulfur crested cockatoo. You're pretty. Hello. How are you? Are you a pretty bird? Oh, you're so pretty. Yeah. All the cockatoos. He's a pretty one there. Hello. Pretty bird. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? Hello.
We're gonna do this.
What are you doing? How was your day? Is it going good? Yeah. Awesome. Look at all the birds in here. This is where they keep them. Back to this guy again. What's going on, buddy? Wow. I want to visit you before I leave. I'm getting ready to leave. Yeah, you pretty birdie. You are. You amaze me. You're so big. Are you friendly? Yeah. What you doing, buddy? You say hello? You say hello? I know you can. Yeah, you said hello before. You say hello? You pretty bird. You are. You're so pretty. Hello. Beautiful bird. Look at how beautiful he is. Look at the tail. I like the blue. I like the blue. Yeah. That's the next bird I'd like to get right there. He pretty bird. He's not too big, but he's bigger than Sunny. Are you bigger than Sunny? Yeah. Pretty bird. Okay, and this is the things I bought at the bird store. We did get the Nutriberries because he loves them, and I was almost out of those. I had got some seeds for the cockatiel, the sunseed, and this is a Paradise Small Hookbill Bird Bulk 13, and this is what the cockatiels really like. They like the store blend. And I got an ultimate treat. Oh, Sonny loves this. It's all kinds of nuts in there, and that's what he likes. You can see some corn in there, some string beans in there, and then there's a fruit and nut, because he does like fruits and nuts. That's another blend. He's more of a nut eater than anything else, but he does like the fruit too. That's his ultimate blend, his regular food that he gets. I bought that. We got this. This is the Asian buffet. This is actually a cookable one, and you cook it, and they actually like it. They have a lot of cookable foods there, and he really seems to enjoy that. And in these are little containers. You can scoop out exactly one if you want a small, medium, or large container. And this is a fruit and vegetable blend that the cockatiels would like. They all actually would. This is a Higgins Snack Attack. It's called Small Fruit and Vegetable, and it's good for the small birds because the small birds need to eat healthy as well. And this is a really good blend. And then we have here Happy Beaks, and I do get this sometimes. It has a lot of nuts. He likes the peanuts. He really likes to crack them open. It's a good foraging thing for him to do. And there is some parakeet seed. And let's see, I did that one. Oh, and this, yep, poop dissolver. I was almost out. And here's a toy. That's pretty cool looking. Nice toy that they can rip apart. They like this kind of stuff here, the shreddables. Pretty cool looking. I love the toys there. And this here is a cool toy. Sonny will enjoy this one. It's got looks like a toucan on it there. And he likes these little, and he'll rip this up in no time. They're so small, but he really enjoys that. So these will go through quicker than the beads or anything that's a little bit thicker. And then I got something for the parakeets here. They like to, little plastic things, play with that kind of stuff. Oh, and this. These are really something that the birds like. It's like a foraging toy. And they have to get the seeds out of the middle there. And Sonny really enjoys it as well. So I do get that for something for them to do. So that is everything that we got at the bird store on this trip with the wing. I only got the cockatiel's wings clipped and nails done, but Sonny just his nails. I hope you enjoyed our video as much as we enjoy shopping there. It's a really nice place to shop, and you can shop online too at the Bird Paradise. We love to go there, and we like to do the wing clipping there and the nails. It's nice that they do it, and Wednesday it's half off, so that's a little bit of a break. They don't really charge that much to begin with though, but they have lots of stuff to buy, and it's so much fun to go there. I mean, the first time I felt like I was there all day. I think I did spend pretty much a whole day there just to go through everything. And the next time I went, I was like, oh wow, I missed this. And still when I go in there, sometimes I'm like, I don't remember seeing that before. And I've been going there for a couple of years now. So I hope you enjoyed our video, and we will see you next time. And there's Sonny taking his nap.